It's safe to say that the Pico 4 is the entry-level VR headset nobody saw coming. Developed as a true competitor to meet his popular Quest 2, the Pico 4 boasts significant advancements in hardware including next-gen pancake optics, a higher resolution, and a premium design, and thanks to a heavy subsidy from owner ByteDance, it's actually cheaper than the Quest 2 at just £380, €429, around $380. The big question is beta hardware and a tempting price enough for the Pico 4 to compete with the hugely popular Meta Quest 2? Well, the Pico 4 represents the next step forward in standalone VR headset hardware, offering a much more compact design than the Quest 2 thanks to the use of next-gen pancake lenses. A bulky headset, this is not, with a HMD head-mounted display width of just 35.8 mm that helps the Pico 4 look slimmer and more futuristic than the comparatively bulky Quest 2. The two do share some similarities in design. Both offer a mostly white finish with smooth curved edges, but Pico adds a glossy black front panel to differentiate itself from the competition. It certainly adds to the premium look, bringing them closer in look to futuristic ski goggles than a VR headset, but it's also a bit of a fingerprint magnet that'll need wiping down fairly regularly. Importantly, while measuring in at slightly heavier than the Quest 2 at 586 grams, Pico has shifted the battery from the HMD to the back of the headset strap to help balance the weight across your head. Combined with soft foam padding around your face and grippy faux leather back padding, the result is a much more comfortable experience, especially over longer periods of play. The Pico 4's headset's rigid strap and crank adjustment system is similar to that of the Quest 2's optional 109-pound Elite strap, though it comes as standard, helping it look more premium than the Quest 2's standard fabric strap. The strap also allows for the visor to be tilted independently for easy entry and lifting mid-game. Another benefit compared to the Quest 2 is the IPD interpupillary distance, aka the distance between your eyes adjustment. While the Quest 2 offers 3 preset IPD positions that you have to physically move between yourself, the Pico 4 offers a much more premium motorized IPD adjustment tool that allows you to adjust the IPD from between 58-72 mm from within the headset. It's much better than Meta's option and, crucially, allows you to see the changes in real time to dial in your perfect distance. The accompanying controllers are fairly standard in design, with the same button, trigger, and analog stick setup as those from the Quest 2, though with a few key differences. These range from smaller changes like the addition of a dedicated screenshot button alongside standard home and pause menu buttons to bigger changes like tracking rings that go over your hand rather than at the top of the controller. The latter is particularly important as, unlike with the front-mounted tracking rings of the Quest 2, you can bring your hands closer together without clashing controllers. That's ideal for more finicky motions like reloading a weapon or using a bow and arrow, though it can also mean your fingers can take the full impact if you accidentally hit a wall or something while playing. Ouch!